Hi everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing whether weight loss can reverse hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition where the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormones, which can lead to weight gain and a host of other symptoms. While weight loss alone is unlikely to reverse hypothyroidism, it can be an important part of managing the condition. Weight loss can help reduce the symptoms associated with hypothyroidism, such as fatigue and slow metabolism, by improving overall health and reducing the strain on the thyroid gland. This can make it easier to manage the condition and potentially improve overall well-being. However, it is important to remember that weight loss alone is not a cure for hypothyroidism and that it should be managed with the help of a healthcare professional. A doctor can prescribe medication to replace the missing thyroid hormones and monitor progress. In conclusion, weight loss can be a helpful part of managing hypothyroidism, but it is not a cure for the condition. It is important to consult with a doctor and follow their recommendations for proper management and treatment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content.